Hotnewhiphop.com exclusive.
All I ever wanted was some money, get some money. Tell a dollar to a 20, 20 to a 50 to a fan. Hold on, wait, I'm going in.
All white phantom like it come off the boat. Street money, yeah, I come from the dope. I voted for Obama, he was talking that hoe. And don't fuck with homie, cause he saving the hoe. It's all hustle, no luck. I come up off you plucks. I want 30 for a bird, 22 for a duck. A double fake bird, meaning mixed with that cut. You quacking ass niggas need to shut the fuck up. I tell them, all muscle, no pussy. The plug bless me, straight cut.